If your garbage disposal suddenly goes silent after a jam, a quick reset often brings it back to life. Start by cutting power at the wall switch. Then verify the plug is fully seated in the outlet under the sink, since vibrations can loosen it over time. Look underneath the disposal housing for a small red or black reset button. Press it firmly until it clicks, then wait 10 seconds before restoring power. If it trips again immediately, you likely still have a jam, so turn power off and use a flashlight to look down the drain for foreign objects like bones, coins, or fibrous peels. Never put your hand inside. Instead, use tongs or needle nose pliers to remove debris. Next, insert the supplied hex wrench or a 1/4 inch Allen key into the center hole on the bottom of the unit and turn it back and forth to free the impeller plate until it moves smoothly. After clearing, press the reset button again, run cold water, and briefly pulse the switch in 1-second bursts to confirm smooth operation before normal use. 3 common mistakes cause repeated shutdowns. People try to reset without clearing the jam, which only trips the overload again. Always free the impeller with the wrench and remove debris first. Folks reach into the drain with fingers because the switch is off, which risks injury. Always use tools and cut power at the breaker if you need extra safety. Users test the disposal under heavy load right after resetting, which can stall it again. Instead, start with cold water flowing and a brief empty spin. Then feed small, soft scraps gradually. We built big home projects as a simple way to match homeowners with nearby pros when a disposal fix turns into a replacement or wiring issue. Our site helps contractors find real jobs and gives everyone a place to ask questions and share tips in our discussion community.